Navy has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 9:30 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., strong thunderstorms located 9 nautical miles northwest of Wistburg or 10 nautical miles west of Sheboygan, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, the Pentwater Pier Heads and Little Sable Point.